Hi, it's Jennifer from Pilates Back and Joint Exercise. Today I'm working with the feet, and all you need for the feet is a big rubber band or a hair band. We're going to work on our bunions. So if you have bunions, a good exercise is to wrap the band wide around your big toes. And, you know, when you have bunions, the big toe is kind of smashed up against that second toe. It's pulled over, probably due to bad walking shoes or pointed high heels. So we're going to separate the toes. We're going to pull them apart and release and pull them apart. And you can get a tighter band if you want, but you want to create that separation between the big toe and the second toe here. And again, open up and open them up. And so I'll do that about 10 times, and then I may just manually grab and separate the big toe and give him a little circle. And you can do that for each of the toes as well. And that is a good way to ward off bunions, and a cheap way to do it as well, rather than buying the very expensive Joe's Toe Stretcher. So save your bunions with a little rubber band. Thank you.